days I have to come down here. I have to pick one that is one of the windiest of the year so far. At least it's not snowing, it's just blowing. Yeah, I should be coming in today. The worst of the worst. There's not a tree in sight. There's nothing to shade the highway from the wind. And if it was snowing, it would be a hell of a lot worse. This is not too bad so far. So far so good. Once we get past this stretch, it shouldn't be too bad to get to where I'm going. I can imagine what it was like yesterday when it was snowing. Ooh, couldn't have been too shit hot, as they say. Today the visibility is not too bad. I can at least see what's in front of me, what's coming at me. It's crappy just the same.